Several doctors and other medical staff, in spite of wearing PPE, contracted infection due to error in removal of the PPE. Therefore, the general public cannot wear PPE. It requires training, and wearing it is cumbersome. We should save N95 masks, PPE kits, for frontliners. With every new pandemic, the humanity will face an unknown, mysterious enemy. In the fight towards such invisible enemies, we rely on developing a vaccine or drug, which takes time and resources. By such time, we lose several precious lives. Then what is a lasting solution to this problem? The only solution is to encapsulate all the humans. Then they are in a safety zone, and thus, the infection can't reach them. Presenting ProMio, suit for protection against microorganisms. An alternative to social distancing, a PPE for the general public. ProMio is a single-piece, protective encapsulation, designed to safeguard humans. By isolating them from the potential threat posed by highly contagious biological agents, ProMio has an automated donning and doffing system to minimize the risk of infection associated with the presently available PPE. ProMio is very easy to wear, no training required. User can also eat, drink, or use the toilet while wearing ProMio. The design is in line with the guidelines of US FDA, US CDC, and other health organizations. Therefore, during a pandemic, general population can wear ProMio to carry out their day-to-day activities. Indoor-outdoor essential activities like offices, services, businesses, food, agricultural services, etc. Our new invention can change the way we live during a pandemic. This invention can help lifting lockdowns. People in essential services can wear reusable ProMio to go to their jobs. Use this for your office staff, delivery boys, survey staff, other places where social distancing is not possible. If you like the concept, share this with people who need it. Let us smartly fight with this and future pandemics.